Hi everyone, welcome back to Groove Drives. Today we're going for a drive in this 2024 Lexus RX 350h Premium Plus. This vehicle has a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder hybrid engine with 244 horsepower and 233 pound-feet of torque. It gets 37 miles per gallon city and 34 highway. You also have the ECVT transmission in this car. You have a nice, very big screen in here with ventilated seats, and heated steering wheel. Beautiful open pore wood trim. Absolutely love that. You have a wireless charging tray. As you can see my phone over there. You can close that wood tray. You have navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. The gauges will change when you change the modes. You have a 360-degree camera system. Pretty good resolution in that as well. I like the start-stop button. You also have paddle shifters in here, and you have the beautiful wood trim on the steering wheel too. Very classy. I like that. You also have the camera mirror. And you have a sunroof. It's not panoramic though, and it seems like the headliner is it feels like suede kinda. You have a white interior in this one. You also have an EV mode. Well, that's interesting. What is this? Wonder what that's. Oh, does this turn into a table or something? No idea what's going on there. That's an interesting design. Storage over there. You also have electronic door handles. But let's walk around this car, see what it looks like. It's a black exterior, looks pretty cool. The new RX 350 has a pretty distinctive grille. It's like molded into the bumper. Here are the rear seats. RX 350h all-wheel drive, and the all-wheel drive standard on the Premium Plus, which makes sense. The exhaust tips are hidden because this is a hybrid model. Makes sense. Seems that this one has like the foot thing where you put your foot underneath the trunk and it'll open it for you. But let's get inside and go for a drive. All right. Backup camera is pretty good. Also, that's interesting. And this car does 0 to 60 in 7.4 seconds. I mean, it's a hybrid, so that makes sense. This car is definitely meant to be a luxury cruiser to just get around town and get great fuel economy. It's not meant to be fast by any means. And I like those dials for the temperature. I like how it shows it's like integrated into the screen. That's kind of cool. Acceleration's not bad. It was as I expected it to be. But the ride feels very smooth, and the interior and everything feels great. I really like the wood trim on the steering wheel. It looks really good. I really like wood trim that's darker and has nice quality to it, and it's like a matte, it's like real wood with like a matte fin, with like a, you know, Not like a glossy finish because that's faux wood, but this is like real nice open pore wood trim. You can feel the quality, which I really like. Sometimes wood trim doesn't look good whenever it's over the top, but I think in this car it's perfectly executed. Seems like you have ample power to, you know, take over someone in traffic. This definitely seems like a great commuter vehicle. Yeah, the Lexus and Toyota hybrid products are very popular. They always have been. I need to get a video on a Grand Highlander, the hybrid. I've never driven one of those. I'm interested to see how that one drives. It's probably going to be very similar to this. So I also made a video on the Lexus TX 500 HF Sport. If you guys want to check that out, I think I uploaded that like a week ago or 2 weeks ago or something like that. That car was a lot faster than this one because the F Sport is definitely meant for, that was like meant for performance, but this hybrid is meant more for practicality than performance. Interesting. Overall, this 2024 RX 350h Premium Plus is a nice vehicle. Very comfortable, looks pretty good, and seems like a great car for commuting if you want great fuel economy and to just cruise along the road. Thanks for watching another video of Droop Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for very nice vehicles like this one.